Welcome back to Broken's Garage. Today we are going to show you how to set the time on a 2016 Volkswagen Passat. That's an SE. As you can see, since it's 8 o'clock, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's actually only 5, just like that. It says 8, and then the radio, that'll say 8 as well. Well, in order to set it, you press this button right here. As you see, it lights that up, and then you press this to switch it, and it's 5, right? Mm-hmm. It's 502, so we'll switch that one. 502, and then hit this button to be finished. Now, we'll put the key in. Watch this. It automatically sets that right there. Okay, just like that. Now it says 502, and the radio says 502. And that is how you set the time. So hope this helped y'all. Thanks for watching.